Hi guys, I'm Hiten. Today I'm here with this product which is Scopely and what type of the problem this product will solve. Okay, so just let me show you. This is Scopely is a fresh and proven way for marketers of any level. It means for beginners, intermediate and advanced, any type of the level. Okay, it is suitable for any level, okay, to make a job replacing and all these things and all without the hustle of actually these three things. Okay, actually guys, this will remove your these three things. Means video marketing, list building, product creation. Means you don't need to do video marketing if you pick up this product. Okay, you don't need to do video marketing because it will do this thing for you by itself. This is a list building. Okay, so you also don't need to build up your email list because it will do this for you. And product creation, okay, you also don't need to go for product manufacturing. And actually this product will reduce your time, okay, which you are wasting, or I can say which you are actually which you are giving for doing these three things. Okay, so this is the problem which this product is going to solve you. Okay, so you don't need to do all these things: list building, video marketing, product creation. Okay, so how it will do all these things we will see here, because this is member access area. We will try to find out each and everything and we will discuss all this feature. I will show you each and everything here. Okay, so this is the main page. If you go through the link below, okay, you have to just click any of the yellow button and you just directly redirect on this page, and later you will be able to see each and every details and information in deep. Okay, and later after the discussing all these things later, you will be able to understand this product is going to fit for you or not. So I am on this dashboard, so you can just see here, this is websites, two website, and all these numbers this product is showing right now. This dashboard is showing right now. So this is automation and all these things. Just leave this. So I'm just going for this website option, and let's see what I going to get in this option. So this is WordPress website. This is already someone, I think, added this one. So you can just select anyone out of that. I have account on Tumblr, Blogger and WordPress. So for example, I'm just going for Blogger because WordPress I'm already using, and it maybe it will not accept my username and password. So just going for Blogger, or Tumblr it may be, but I just going to try. So new blog, site name is cat lovers. Okay guys, for example, okay, connect. Okay, connect. Okay, let me see what will happen. I'm just connecting and just see. Okay, so guys, on this email I have blog, so I'm just trying to connect and let's see what will happen. Continue. See guys, that's how you have to connect your blogger. Okay, I'm just connecting my blogger. Okay, so just continue and let's see what is going to be next. Okay guys, website saved successfully. Okay guys, I will remove this later. Blogger, you can see network blogger, Hitesh Pokle Happy. This is my blog. Okay, and this is my second one. So this is my important and personal, so I'm just going for this one. This is for showing you. Okay, and this is active. So guys, I'm just going to save here. That's how you have to do all these things. Okay, three options you have: WordPress, Blogger, third one is Tumblr. Okay, so I'm just saving this one right now, and then we will discuss another options also. Let's see first what is going to happen. So website updated successfully. Okay, blogger, let, okay, so this is my cat lovers. Okay, so this is WordPress of someone, this is my cat lover. Tumblr I'm not, okay, some actually this is demo available, okay, for you, but this one is right now I added in front of you. So for example, if I want to some edit, so I'm just clicking on that and let's see, then we will move on. Okay guys, so there is nothing to edit. Okay, this is same thing, so I'm just leaving this. Okay, I already added my website. Now I'm going to this option, which is find. So let's see what things I can find. Sources. Okay guys, so actually some sources available. Actually guys, this is these sources are related to news. Okay, but you can go ahead for anything. Okay, just put this keyword. So these are some common. So I'm just going for this dating keyword and just try to search what will come. Okay, guys, it's working fine, guys. It's good. So for dating, if I want to write some blogs, if I want to create some websites related on this, so this is something like that. But let me show what is this. Let me see what is this product is doing in actual. Okay, these things actually list building it will create by taking some traffics. Okay, video marketing we don't need to do because it will make some inbuilt videos, something like that for us to gain some results, to get some results, some leads, you can say some visitors, audience, maybe some clicks, CTR and something like that. Whatever your goal should be, whatever. Okay. So just see what is this. So for example, I'm loving this one. So published at. Okay, so what is okay? So this is I think going to publish on my blog, I think. So let me preview this one right now so that we will decide later it is appearing good or not. Okay, so let me see this how it will seems like. Okay, life hacker and something like this. Okay, good. This is good. So okay, so I'm just closing this one because I did preview. Now, if I want to click on this button. So let me see what will happen and let me show you too what will happen because actually you are already watching me. Okay. Okay, guys, that's how it will be done. So this is article, this is creating done for you article, which already this get inside this dashboard from different sources. This one is photo, select website. So guys, Kate Lovers blogger, which is mine website. Okay, this two website for demo. So I'm just choosing mine, type instant or schedule. Okay, so I'm doing this instant. Later I will just leave it. Okay, so I'm just posting from here. Okay, guys, so let's see what is going to happen. Okay, so I just clicked on post button and it's done, guys. Okay, so now let me show you it's really posted or not because cross check is needed, guys. Okay, so I'm just doing that parallelly. Till then we will go ahead and we will see what is going to the next and what functions are available to discuss for next. So this is done, guys. Okay, so it's done. So I'm just coming back again and we will discuss some more things. Okay, some posts. I think this is about the post and other things what I already posted. Yes, same. Okay, guys, so all these things you can see. Okay, I can visit from here also. Okay, so I should visit from here, guys. So if I'm able to watch my post, so it will be look like here. So give it a time, it will be done. Okay, okay, nice, guys, nice. So guys, this is my blog. Okay, you can see I just posted this one. This is actually demo, not completed. Okay, but inside this product, okay, here you can see training video. Okay, so each and everything you will know step by step. Okay, I'm just doing this overview in front of you. Okay, guys, so I'm just closing this one. I already watched, I see the preview. No, I will go for the next. This is add inserter. So let's see what is going to happen. Found data, add inserter, new add. Okay. Actually, this product is one more thing this product is providing you. You can just see breaking news algorithm. It's working on news algorithm. Okay, actually, this product will work on news related things. Good. Okay, this is using artificial intelligence. You can see hardness, the hottest viral trend to drive free traffic. So, guys, it is working on news, breaking news type of the things. Why this is so? Do you want to know? Because in breaking news you will get in breaking news niche you will get too much traffic directly. Okay, and still this is using artificial intelligence also, so you will get good number of traffic from the day one, guys. Okay, because this is related to news. Okay, and rest of the things this product is already doing for you. Okay, guys, so actually you can just come here. Okay, see, you have to just select the choose a keyword, which I already shown you. This viral breaking news story, which I already shown you, and just you have to publish them, which I already did in front of you. Okay, now we are just looking for some other things, some more features. So ad name is puppy, for example. Site is cat lover. Ad type is okay, AdSense, for example, actually after 30 to 40 posts, you will be able to monetize your website. Okay, if you have good number of posts on your or blogs or content on your website, you should go ahead and you can just apply for the AdSense. Okay, so I don't have AdSense ID because I'm not working for AdSense right now. For example, I'm doing Amazon. So keyword you can put like dating. Amazon means Kindle Garden, something like that. KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Insertion is after the first paragraph, before the last paragraph. Okay, so before the content I want to show my ads, alignment is left, and just I'm creating, guys. I'm loving this product. Okay, guys, because everything is working good. See, my ad is done. Okay, and I just have to this edit option here, and it will be done for me. Okay, if I did monetization on my bloggers and on my websites, so this advertise will start appearing there, and I will earn from monetizations too. And I just put some affiliate links in my content too. In my content I can put some CPA offer links also. Okay, many options I have actually. Okay, guys, so I did this as ad inserter. Okay, in just in front of you, so this ad will be insert in your blog, in your content. Okay, guys, so that's why this is ad inserter. So this is now promote. So let's see what options are coming in front of us. Later we will discuss on automation and integration, because these two options are too much important, guys. So promote. So I want to promote on cat lovers because I selected this one and I made this one post. Okay, okay, this is my post and I just want to promote this. Okay, guys, nice options I'm getting, guys. Guys, according to me, this product is good. Okay, according to me, this product is good because there is nothing fault till now. Okay, everything is working perfectly. Okay, so guys, I put the name is too much different, and my post is related to dating, guys. So this is not related, but still I choose this for the demo. And right now I'm just, for example, going to show you. I'm just posting is it on Twitter. Okay, guys. So let's see. So it will take a little bit time. Till then, we will discuss some more things. So promote, you will able to promote on this number of the platforms. So you will start getting some type of the organic traffic. Okay, guys, and this is automation. So now we should see that what is available inside the automation, guys. Okay. Okay, so new automation, we will discuss this. Till then, we should see our Twitter account. Okay, so because I selected C, guys. Okay, my Twitter is already logged in, and you can just see here Hitesh Pokle Happy, which I already, this is my blog name, okay, which I already shown you. And this thing which is related to news. Actually, guys, news related articles generally works very good on Twitter and some more platforms. Right now, I just left that page. Okay, too much platforms you already shown for organic marketing. Okay, and just because of this function you will start getting some good number of traffic. So I'm not going for tweet. Okay, I'm just going to close this one. Now this is automation, so we should now see this what is coming inside the automation, because now this is important thing, guys. Okay, so this will be your content, this will be your website. So for example, this is my content. I'm going for Bloomberg, just for example, guys. uh, Dating keyword. Okay, guys, post per day. Okay, so this is to actually this is just giving the number so that this machine will start working for us. Okay, part of this is this. Okay, so just you can do it for the next. So so okay, guys, you have to do this thing. Okay, just I'm doing this next. Okay, type blogger all. If you go for all, so it will be go for all these things. So I'm just choosing right now blogger. Website is mine, cat lover, previous save. Okay, so if I save this one, Let's see what will happen. Okay, guys. So this is done from my side. Okay, one post I am able to do for per day. Okay, this is my name and this is my keyword, and I already choose my blog website. Okay, guys. So right now I'm just deleting this one because I don't do the I don't want to do this. Okay, just for demo purpose, I shown you all these things. Okay, so I just deleted. Now this is auto. Now see the integration. Mhm. Okay, this is news API, spin rewriter, Amazon associated text. So I don't have knowledge about this right now. I can show you, but video will be too much long. This is spin rewriter. I already use this. Just put your purchased email through which you purchased spin rewriter. Put your API key and you will be able to integrate. News API, just put your key, okay, just something like this, and just you will be able to save here. Or still, if you don't know how to do that, just go with this, and you will be able to learn how to add your news API. Okay, guys, and this is Amazon associated text, so you can just go for Google, you can just search it out, and you will know in this training video. Okay, so don't worry about that because this may be related to your KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, because this product is able to do that for you. Okay, so this is for that. So let's see what is this. Back to home, register for API key, first name, email, password, and that's it. It's done, guys. Okay, you have to just submit all these things and you will be able to get your API key, actually news API key. Okay, guys. So I'm just leaving this one. Okay, so everything is done for you guys. You have to just you have to just do some play around things, something like that. Okay, and now it will be done, guys. So I hope this is okay. This is integration. Okay, so now this is training video. So we should see this also. And later your last function is help center. Okay, guys. So what is inside this? Where I was. Okay, so training, I think is still not added in this, but no worry, when this product will launch, all these things will be added inside this. Okay, and all these features which I already shown you, you are going to get. Okay, so it will be something like that, guys. Okay, so I'm done from my side. Okay, all this thing will be automatically directly inside. You can get some videos also, you can get some content and all thing also, and just you will start making money from monetization. You will start getting some lists. So just because of that, you don't have to need to build some list and all, because you will start getting some leads. Okay, so you have to just save your pre-made, actually automated built in list, and just because of that you don't need to do this. Video marketing, you can learn from training. Okay, here, because if I put any type of the keyword, so I got content. So okay, just like that you will be able to get some videos also. So just because of that you don't need to do some video marketing also. Okay, guys, that's how this complete product will work. So guys, I'm done from my side, so I'm just going for logout. Okay, you can just add some teams and some users also. Let me show you what is coming inside this. Okay, by email, new team user, you can add from here. Okay, email, just put your email and just give that particular person a role. Okay, something like editor, and put any type of the email, for example this one, and just you can save this. Okay, guys, that's how you have to add your team. And just you can manage some user by providing limited access to them. Okay, so I'm just going to go back home because this is not completed yet. So it will be done. Okay, when it will be launched, it will be done, each and everything will be done. This is I think introduction video in which you will learn basic things. Later you will be able to get training from this section. Okay, guys. So okay, so I'm just closing this one. In this you will get complete training. I'm done from my side. I'm just logging out this one, and we will meet later again with another masterpiece, guys. Till then, bye.